In this video, you will learn how to purchase a phone number. Go to Settings at the bottom left of your menu. Now click on Phone Numbers right over here. Click on Add Number. Add phone number. Now select your country from here. Let's say United States. Now you can click on Filters. And you can type in any area code that you're looking for. For example, I type in this. Any part of the number, you can select first part of number. So it's gonna search 607 area code. Hit apply. Now you will see the results for 607 area code. You can purchase any of the number, or you can click on refresh result to see more results. If you don't like any of the number, just hit on refresh result. Once you purchase the number, it's gonna show you over here. Once you have purchased the phone number and complete the business profile, you can now proceed to submit your A2P 10 DLC by clicking on the Trust Center. And before you proceed, let us learn more about A2P 10 DLC. A2P stands for Application to Person. 10 DLC stands for 10-digit long code compliance. These are the rules being enacted by the US government and carriers. Now you need to register your business by submitting the A2P. Scroll down and you will see Start Registration. Now click on it and you can start registering your business by providing the relevant information. This is all for now. We will see you in the next video.